let's get started. On the roof sill, more freaking spot welds.
Start with the template. All right, guys, I'm back at you with some new teeth. Look at that, man. Looks pretty good. I'm extremely pleased with it. Finally can smile and not be awkward about it. It's looking good back here. I'll use the same kind of tool, the panel clamps that I use on the other side. I'll use that over here. Of course, it's already painted with the weld through copper primer. Same thing on the back here. Yeah, it's looking pretty much ready to weld. It's been a minute. Just to be honest with you, I'm just trying to get this bodywork done. Kind of give you guys a quick recap. This entire section here is completed. This side, I also finished up. Plan today, lay down some primer, lay down primer on this side. It's all taped up, ready to go. Lay down some primer in here. And then once it's painted, man, the bodywork is done. Let's get this done out of the way and let's move on to actual mods. Primer laid down. We got 2 coats for now. Epoxy primer once again from Restoration Shop. So I've just been laser focused on getting all the bodywork stuff done. And I'm happy to say it is freaking done. Painted the inside here, looks freaking amazing. This whole section here is fixed as well. It came out so damn good. I'm so proud of myself to kind of achieve a massive repair like this. This car was freaking upside down. Maybe getting a little ahead of myself, but let's wrap this quarter panel.
What we do here is go back.